Nidhi Shukla would like to apprise you all with the basics of Java, mainly how to import class in our program and how to display our outputs on the monitor through this presentation. Like in C++, we include header files in our program. By including header files, we display many functions in our program, or we can use many functions in our program. But it also copies those functions which are not needed in our program, due to which our program size increases and processing time also increases. This is a drawback of C++. To overcome this drawback, Java has an efficient mechanism of importing classes. When we import any class, the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, search for that class in the Java library and executes our program there only, and only substitutes the result of that code in our program. Now, when we talk about importing classes, we should know what is packages. Packages are a kind of directories that includes all the classes and interfaces. By including any package, we can include classes which are included in that package in our program. Like in this example, I have imported the package java.lang.asterisk. Asterisk is used for including all the classes and interfaces which are included in this package. By including this package, I have included all the classes and used two of them, that is string and system. Now, any Java program starts with a class, and the name of a class always starts with a capital letter, as it is a pure object-oriented language. Java JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, understands that it is a Java program through this line, that is public static void main. This is all about how we can import classes. Now we move towards how we can display our outputs on the screen. When we want to display anything on the monitor, we use system.out.print in Java. But there, system is a class which is included or which is imported by the package, that is java.lang, and out is the field of the class system. This is a program of sum where I have calculated the sum of two numbers, that is x and y, and printed their result, that is z. There are many ways to print these results. Instead of printing z, we can also write print ln x plus y. ln is used to move the cursor towards the new line after displaying the result. Now, in the last line, I have written system.out.print ln, sum of two numbers. I have written it in double quotes. It means that I want to print this line as it is on the screen. And the plus operator is used for combining two lines, that is, it is a string and it is a numeric value. To combine these two lines, I have write an plus operator. It is always necessary to write when we want to combine two lines. This is all about how we want to print our outputs on the screen. Thank you.